Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix you cannot use this feature right now on Facebook. So guys, if you're facing this problem while logging in your account on your Facebook and this pop-up appears and you're unable to use your Facebook properly, or you are unable to use some features on your Facebook, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to open your settings in your device, and from here scroll it below, tap on general, again scroll it below, tap on iPhone storage, and from here scroll it below and tap on Facebook. And now you have to simply offload your Facebook for one time, or you have to uninstall your Facebook if you are using your Android phone. So guys, if you are using iPhone, then offload your app, or if you are using Android phone, then you have to simply uninstall your Facebook app for one time. So guys, after this you have to simply download and install the latest version of Facebook app in your device from your App Store or Play Store. So guys, here you can see this, simply download and install the latest version of Facebook, and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you're still facing this problem, then again open settings in your device, and from here you have to simply tap on general again scroll it below, tap on VPN and device management, and from here if there is any connected VPN in this device you have to simply disconnect it. And if you're using Android phone, then you have to avoid using VPN on your device. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you're still facing this problem, then open your browser and from here search for preventing login issue. So guys, here you can see this, simply search here for preventing login issue, and now tap on security checks preventing login, tap on this, and from here you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way. So I simply explain your problem in a brief way, and also upload the screenshot of that problem that you are facing right now. So I simply upload that screenshot as well and describe your problem in a brief way in this box. And after this you have to simply submit this report to the Facebook team. So guys, once you send this report, after this hopefully the Facebook team will oversight this matter, and hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.